hope let's get this fucking thing done. It's bullshit! Why did we agree to this? It's R5, going for a run. On a pint of coffee. You got 2 chicken meals anytime. Sweet enough. Morning. It's meant to be quiet time and there's no traffic, and look at it, it's fucking manic out there. But I was just saying, it's 40% unemployment, so where the fuck are these lot going? It's that Rihanna song, just shut up and drive. Weighing. Yeah. Post run and swim, let's see how we're doing. $65, yeah. 4K. What about you, fat boy?
67, it looks like, isn't it? That is fucking brilliant, that is.
Yeah?
I'm on weight, mate, yeah.
There you go. Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Where we have him?
Sorry, bro.
74.5, yeah.
So your weight's up. Nice, man.
Easy work. Easy work. Poker. Nah. Get your own waffles, pancakes. I'm going for the omelette. Serving up. So today has been our first day chilling since we've been here. Do you know what? It feels like we've been here weeks because we've just been so busy like every day. So today's just been the first day in which we're like chilling out finally. No press conferences, no media shit. Nice. So yeah, got a literally chill by the pool all day. It's been really nice weather, as you can see. Got a nice little bit of pinkness coming out already. And yeah, literally, I don't think we moved. Well, obviously went for a run and a swim this morning, and they're gonna go and do a nice little sharpening session. So they're gonna do a load of sprints, and then just a little bit of pad work. Again, just keeping everything short and sharp, working on movement, snapping those shots out. But yeah, I just got a Thai massage. You got these people, you call them up, these masseuses, and you get them round. Oh my gosh, she went vicious on me. It was amazing, just what I needed. My calves and my like traps into my neck have just been so tight. And she was like digging her elbow through my neck, and she was working something out that I think has been there for a very long time. Like I said, I feel like I could go exorcist now, like spin my fucking head all the way around. It was yeah, gorgeous, like absolutely mind blowing. And yeah, so we're gonna go down and train now, and then just keep chilling. We could go to this bar tonight to sort of show face. Yeah, we'll see. Let's go from there.
Once you've done it, jog to the post and then you sprint again. I said, jog it up, jog it up. Go, 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 go on. Come on, that's it. Right hand, then with an uppercut on it as well. So, bang, then turn the body with a bang. Bing, bang, then straight up on it.
Jump uppercut.
Yeah, so do it, yeah. So you do your right. That's it. That's the shot. That's the stop the fella you're fighting.
Jab.
And even the other side and all. Because that's where you're getting more leverage from. That's it.
Throw the uppercut off the jab hand.
Yes.
Throw the uppercut,
off
so
the jab hand.
jab, cross, right uppercut.
You're just doing the jab and then follow it straight
Jab.
to that hook.
Yeah.
Straight to the hook. Don't need to do anything else. Just do the jab, and uppercut. So jab, and then just step to the side with the uppercut. That's it. Just step into the side on it. That's better. You're really ready for that one. Better. That's it. Yeah. And then come back round with a look if you want to reach round the top. With the other hand. So it's more natural.
Turn the hips into it.
It's more natural. So straight jab, uppercut, yeah, and then come back with the hook. That's it.
Hiya. So we just did not last, but we just did a nice little sprint sesh, a few little pads, just a nice little explosive, quick sharpener, and now we're just gonna go and do some lengths, just do a little recovery swim. So I'm fucked.
It's round 4 of the Azuma Nelson fight night. Ghana versus UK.
I'm fighting in Ghana. I want you all to come and see me. None of us are scared. I don't care what struggle they come from. I don't care what slum they live in. That's none of my business. When I come, I don't come for a win. I come to snatch your soul.
I won't sit here for you to come here and defeat me and go. No. It won't happen.
August 19, 2017 at the Bukom Boxing Arena, 6 p.m. sharp.
Mo fi àwọn oníbà fi list snake and bash ball.
Tu no do fere ba. O ten professional ba. O a chun lo ko na no e boy see.
These boys are in to fight. They are not in to box.
Come witness the artistic display of pugilistic prowess of these combat-ready fighters.
I'm passing this message to you, John Hicks. I want you to prepare yourself very well because you are stepping to my line and I'm going to stop you.
I'm going to beat Azuma Nelson around 2.
He said he's going to knock me out in round 2, so let's see how it goes.
Sponsors: Sahara Mining, Bell Aqua, Accra City Hotel, Dropping, Joe Drill, BW Mining, and supported by ticket available at
Trust me, we're here for business. Business, do this.
It's the funniest fucking film ever.
His fucking face seems like a paedophile, doesn't it?
Another day, another 6 a.m. run. When the alarm went off, I could have cried. It's darker today, you know. Yeah, I swear it is.
It fucking definitely looks dark up there.
It's a lot darker, doesn't it?
Fucking hell.
And I'm giving you the grand tour. So this is the room. We've got a peasant's bed. We've got a king's bed, so we take that shit in turns. Got a nice wet room. We got some fucking powerful light, mirror, and separate little toilet. So when you drop the fucking kids off, you don't stink out the old bathroom. Strong! And they always play football, like every fucking minute of every day is ledge. If you like football. So yeah, another early morning run, and then a little swim to finish off with, and weigh-ins tomorrow.
Hey, fucking wins.
Are you feeling for the fight, Tone?
Fucking great, man. Can't wait to take some Ghanaian's head off, man.
Yeah. Getting that working.
Most recent fight that Manuel got.
So we're playing a game. We're looking at our opponents and all the guys they've beaten, and we're playing this really exciting game. It's called Guess the Record, and we're now on to Raphael King, the guy that Tone is fighting. So his last opponent. Let's go on. Let's play Guess the Record. I'm gonna try and like edit like a little picture of the box rec thing up here as well. So go on, guess the record.
Is it the
This is the last guy that your guy beat. Yeah, quite a lot of fights.
Quite a lot of fights.
Yeah, into the 30s.
Into the 30s. What?
Yeah.
In all, so 13 wins, 17 losses.
And what do you think?
I reckon 9 wins, 24 losses.
Nearly. It was 5 wins and 29 losses. Do you know what I mean? Like, what can you take from that?
Was it stoppage? Did he go the rounds with that cunt?
No, he wouldn't have rounds, didn't it? Yeah, standard. Go on! Nailed it! Smashed a little 3 mile this morning, and now it's a little recovery swim. This sun needs to fucking make a cheeky cameo though. Gorgeous scenes. Feeding time at the zoo. Yeah. Woo. Still got a few pounds to go, so we're going to lower carb here. We've got a cheerleader banging a pizza, chips. Turns on that club sandwich thing. Look at that, though. Bad boy, mate. Yeah. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. Last little power and sprint session done. Just getting ready for the weigh-ins.
Boys are ready, innit?
Yeah.
Boys are ready.
Boom, ready.
Team UK.
Yeah, yeah.
Team GB.
There's 4 lions on this shirt.
Trust me.
Jump down there, straight right up there, yeah? Just go again. The left hook on the end of that, yeah? Jump to the body, yeah? Jump to the body.
Yeah, we'll fade that one up top. Go on. Fade one up top. Pat.
What?
So fade the jump up top.
Who, me?
No, me.
You, go.
So yeah, so I'll jump to the body.
Yeah, yeah. Find that
So
jump.
I'm just right, so I'm going, so doubling it.
Yeah. Come on, let's go. Careful, yeah, right. Again.
Big jump back.
Throw a few little uppercuts in that as well. Jab and come off the uppercut.
Yep.
I feel you're fighting square on when he comes in, so.
So. And hook there, yeah? Yep. Send the one up top after, yeah? Yep.
Push him around a bit now. Push him around a bit, that's it. Yeah, come away, hands up, and then jab out.
So, left one leg. To there. Go on then, do that. get that? Oh, do that again then. You've got me in there.
Right left.
And the roll up on the end of that, yeah?
Load it. Take it one time. Throw in them uppercuts. 10 seconds. Want some uppercuts? Get near the shots. That's it. And again.
Come on.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Well done. Nice.
So just finished our last sprint session, last training session now, waiting tomorrow to go for a nice little spa, sauna steam. Let's get it in, lads! It's a bit warm for a puffer jacket, mate. Look at this gaff. Found it?
No, I also found this. Sauna and a steamer. No! Got sauna. Okay.
Say hello.
These boys boxing. Have you heard about the boxing match?
The UK versus Ghana. Yeah, UK versus Ghana.
Boxing. You've heard, yeah?
Yeah, it's on the news and on GTV.
Now, it's going to be at the big stadium, Bukum Stadium? I do not think so. It's a big boxing stadium, no?
Perks of a good gym. Wait, yeah, step off.
Oh man. What did you say?
64 seats. Yeah, but you got to think about it. You just ate an hour ago and jumped a lot.
They're not right, mate.
Tone?
If we've been done, they're not right, innit? Yeah, no, there's fucked and bumps in it.
Oh shit,
How can you only weigh a couple
and the thing
kilograms?
is, yeah, but when you sleep and you wake up, you'll probably be 2 kg lighter anyway. Like, because that's the thing, you made yourself this morning before food.
Got so much shit in my pockets though, man. I got 2 pairs of trousers on and spare shit in my pockets.
Yeah, step off.
Nice! I'm on
So,
weight.
oh, that's it?
I'm on weight and I've got loads of shit in my pockets, man. So really, if anything, to fuel up with anything, innit? Oh, shit.
You up your crackhead. Stay. No. Go.
He drives 3 kilograms less weight than me.
Step off.
That is
Oi!
Hold on. I couldn't have. That shit couldn't have weighed that and that battery pack could not have weighed. I took.
So this phone is pretty heavy though, man.
Yeah, and to be fair, that battery pack as well. I want to just let me just weigh that a couple of times.
Yeah, put one of them that battery pack and see if it comes up on that.
We'll go and get a 10 kilo weight or something, and we'll test that.
They got there. Yeah. 10 kilos.
Yeah, it's only 3.3. Dinner's looking good.
Yeah.
It's only 3.3. Wanker. Absolute cunt. That means I'm under. Yeah, mate. The thing you got to think, just like I said, what you just have to do is just have one night without dinner and that. You wake up.
3.7.
So it's probably, yeah, if anything, just 0.3 of a kilo. So I'm just, yeah.
That's over.
What's over?
It's under.
So it's free.
It's under.
No, that's under. So that's saying 4 kilos. Yeah, and then we'll just double check it with fibers.
65, it's fucking 4 kilos.
4K. 3.
3 kilos.
3 keys.
What's that? That's fucking £6.
This is where the magic happens.
You gonna...
Oh mate, that smells amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah, mate. This for a complex. And I was 72, so I was 72.5 kilos, so I've been on a kilo under. So it means man gets a big dinner.